In this episode, we discuss the Real Talk Summit. What's up, everyone? This is Jake Voorhees, and you're watching episode 9 of the 1% Engineer Show. One thing I want to talk about for episode 9 is I would love to hear more feedback. I would love to hear more comments from you, the audience. I want to know how you think this show is going. I want it to be the best possible for you. Anyway, what I want to get to you guys is one overarching summary of what I learned at the Real Talk Summit on Saturday, which was a fantastic conference, which is intent.
So if you want to actually accomplish the thesis of this conference, you need to make sure that your intent is pure.
And I think it applies to everything in life, not just entrepreneurship, but to being a student, to being a friend, good family member, a career individual. What a lot of these entrepreneurs are saying on stage is, what are you really trying to do? What is your intent? What is your purpose? What is your cause? What are your goals? We don't care that you make a lot of money. That's not good enough for me to follow you and care about you and support you. But what are you trying to do? Are you really trying to help people? Or are you just trying to make a bunch of money? Are you building schools in Africa, which is the maximum of this example? Furthest to the positive, my audience is mostly engineering students, STEM students, career professionals, and how this applies to you is, what can you do for that person when you go to a networking event, when you have a meeting with them, when you have coffee and you're trying to build a relationship or reinforce a relationship? Don't worry at all about how this person can help you. That's the reason why you're there. That's clear. Don't talk about you, talk about them. What are you trying to do? You're trying to help that person? That's what they really care about. So if you play into that, and when you go to meetings, you say, hey, I'm a student and I run an engineering blog, which I'm gonna make an episode about later. This is how you can help them. You're giving them good press. Or if you're a student and you network with other students, hey, I'm not the best at math and science, which is an example for myself. But what I can do for you is I can speak at the presentations. I can have the relationship with the professor. And I can offer you that because most of these superstar math and science engineers, they're terrified to speak. 50% of world individuals, their biggest fear is speaking, which means they would rather die than go up on stage and take the mic. And some of these people who struggle with the nitty-gritty math and science, they can take the mic, they can be a leader, they can be a little bit more organized in the non-absolute technical facets. So what I encourage you to do, everyone, is think about how you can always benefit that person. Don't make it about you, make it about them. And now you are really talking. Now you have this person's attention. So in summary here for episode 9, what is your intent? What are you really trying to do? When you go to that professor, is all you want a reference or a job or something, whatever your true goals are? But how can you help them too? What can you do for that person? How can you support them? Because if you really believe in your cause, if you really believe in your purpose, which is being the best engineer, being the best career individual, going and reinforcing your academic road, whatever it is that you're trying to do, if you really believe in that, then you will help others along the way. And that is what life is all about. So it's called give and then ask. There is no such thing as give and take. You cannot help with the expectation that they will help you. If you help organically and don't actually expect them to help you back, you will find that people actually help you back because you are genuine. You want to help them, you believe in this movement, which is engineering or math and science, whatever you are, and they will therefore want to give you connections to their network, job opportunities, research situations, whatever it is that you're aspiring to do. So the moral to the story is think about your intent, how you can help this person, what you can do for them, and you will win in the end. It's the long game, guys. Question of the day, what is something that you are doing that helps someone else? Stay tuned for episode 10, where I finally talk about how to crush a job fair. Thanks for watching the 1% Engineer Show, guys, and stay hungry on your quest to become a 1% engineer. Cheers!